Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Turkey Popper is probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen gadgets you can add to your arsenal, allowing you to create delicious, bite-sized turkey appetizers or snacks with ease, perfect for parties, game days, or just a quick and tasty treat that will impress your friends and family. Number 5. Chef Craft Basic Plastic Poultry Thermometer. Introducing the Chef Craft Basic Plastic Poultry Thermometer. This pack includes 3 essential tools for perfect poultry every time. Simply place it in the thickest part of your meat. The inner core will rise when your poultry reaches the ideal 176 degrees, preventing overcooking. These thermometers are designed for convenience. They ensure your poultry is cooked to perfection without any guesswork. Enjoy hassle-free cleanup after your meal. These are disposable, making your cooking experience even more enjoyable. Clear instructions are included to guide you. Achieve delicious, safely cooked poultry with ease. What we like. This set provides multiple thermometers for convenience. They are disposable, making cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for a no-fuss, single-use solution for ensuring your poultry is perfectly cooked every time, this is the choice for you. What people say. I make sure to have a new pop-in thermometer for every turkey I make. I've never had one not pop up on time. Takes the guesswork out to know when the poultry is done rather than trying to put in a thermometer and it's in the wrong place, giving a wrong perception of whether it's done. Works every time. No need to buy anything fancy. These pop-up thermometers work on every size chicken or turkey. Number 4. Turkey Chicken Beef Meat Pop-Out Poultry Timer. Achieve perfectly cooked poultry every time. This simple timer takes the guesswork out of your cooking. Just insert it into the thickest part of your meat before cooking. It's designed for ultimate convenience. The timer will pop up when your meat reaches the desired temperature. You'll know it's ready without constant checking. This timer is disposable, meaning no cleaning is required after use. Simply use it once and discard. Ideal for turkey, chicken, and beef. Get consistent results for all your roasts. This package includes 2 timers, ensuring you have one ready for your next meal. Get great value for your kitchen. What we like. This option offers a simple pop-up indicator for perfect doneness. It's disposable, so no cleaning is required. If you prioritize ease of use and a clear visual cue for when your meat is ready, this is an excellent pick. What people say. They're just pop-up turkey timers. But the important thing is that they work correctly. Not only did the turkey come out perfectly, but the timers popped almost simultaneously, with the one positioned toward the back of the oven popping slightly earlier due to the higher temperature there. So I'd say they're pretty consistent as well. The temp was spot on and the turkey was cooked to perfection. These work just like the ones that Butterball and other name brand turkey providers use. Number 3. Tovolo Turkey Baster with Cleaning Brush. Tired of messy drips while basting? This baster features a clever angled tip that prevents messes, keeping your cooking surfaces spotless and ensuring precise liquid distribution. The soft silicone bulb squeezes effortlessly to draw up juices and fits comfortably in your hand. Its generous capacity means fewer trips to the roasting pan. This set includes a specialized cleaning brush designed to reach every corner for thorough sanitization. Cleanup is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe design. Built with BPA-free materials, it safely handles high temperatures, making it ideal for both stovetop and oven use during holiday meal prep. Easily monitor liquid levels with the transparent tube. Made from durable, heat-resistant material, it can handle hot liquids without cracking or melting. What we like. This baster features a unique dripless design for mess-free basting. It also comes with a brush for easy cleaning and is built to withstand high temperatures. If you're someone who values a clean kitchen and precise basting, especially during busy holiday cooking, this tool is a must-have. What people say. The turkey popper is a great tool for making turkey burgers. It's easy to use and creates perfectly shaped patties every time. The design allows for quick cleanup, which is a big plus. Number 2. Mezzetta Jalapeno Stuffed Olives. Introducing Mezzetta's Jalapeno Stuffed Olives. Experience the perfect blend of savory Spanish olives and locally grown jalapenos. Each olive is carefully stuffed to deliver a crisp, savory bite. You'll love the satisfying crunch and rich flavor. We've achieved just the right balance of heat to complement the briny olive. It's a taste sensation that's both bold and refreshing. Made with jalapenos grown right here, ensuring the freshest, most vibrant flavor. This commitment to quality shines through in every jar. Add a touch of excitement to your favorite dishes. These olives are perfect for snacking, garnishes, or adding a zesty twist to recipes. Discover the exceptional taste that Mezzetta is known for. Enjoy the quality and flavor that makes these olives a standout choice. What we like. These olives offer a delightful combination of savory flavor with a spicy kick. They are Spanish style and stuffed with locally grown jalapenos. If you enjoy a bit of heat and a flavorful addition to your charcuterie boards or meals, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The turkey popper is a great tool for making turkey burgers. It's easy to use and creates perfectly shaped patties every time. The design allows for quick patty formation, saving time in the kitchen. Number 1. JOYIN 8-pack Thanksgiving Non-Snap Party Favor Set. Get ready for Thanksgiving fun with our super value pack of party favors. This set includes 8 assorted turkey-themed favors, perfect for surprising guests at any fall celebration. Each favor is packed with excitement, featuring a party hat, jokes, and a variety of fun toys. They're designed to add a cute and festive touch to any party. These party favors are ideal for bringing smiles and happiness to both kids and adults. They're a wonderful way to share joy during celebrations, birthdays, and holidays. You can rest assured knowing that our party favors and all the included toys are made from safe, high-quality materials, perfect for little hands. Your satisfaction is our top priority. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, please reach out to us. Let the celebrations begin with JOYIN. What we like. This pack offers a generous set of 8 party favors with various fun items. Each favor includes a hat, jokes, and a selection of small games and toys. If you're planning a fall holiday gathering or a birthday party and need engaging, safe, and entertaining favors for both kids and adults, this value pack is ideal. What people say. The turkey popper is a great tool for making delicious turkey burgers. It's easy to use and creates perfectly shaped patties every time. The design allows for quick cleanup, which is a huge plus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.